Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create your own template in Autocad. There are 8 steps that we will follow to create our own template. To start, you go to new, or click Ctrl N in your keyboard. These are all default templates. So you go to open here, then you select open with no template imperial or open with no template metric. This both, I think I have done a video on it, how to start new drawing in AutoCAD. So you can go on my YouTube channel and check. So here if you open with no template metric, that means you use unit, millimeter, unit, millimeter, meter and centimeter. Okay, so you click metric. So you see it's open. Now, after you open your drawing space, you go to workspace here and you choose drafting and annotation, right? After that, what you're supposed to do, you go to quick access toolbar and you show menu bar. Okay, this is your menu bar. All right. Now, what you're supposed to do, you go to tool and toolbar, you come to AutoCAD, then you choose any of these. So let's start with draw. Okay, you click this is setup here, then go again to toolbar, then we choose layout, yes, then you go again tool. You can draw any of how you can do is depend on you, but this is what I want to choose, and you choose layout 2. Then from here you can just place here, yes, then you go again and toolbar to cut and you choose modify. After this, what you're supposed to do, you go to next step is limit. Okay, so the limit is from lower side to upper side corner. So what we do, you just click L I M in your keyboard, enter. Okay, so we ask you directly to the command bar here, specify lower left corner. Okay, here this left corner. So always click 0, 0, enter. Then when we ask you again, specify upper right corner. Here, this is upper right corner. So you can be there and write, let's say 5,000, 5,000, comma 5,000. Enter. So after this, what you're supposed to do, you click Z in your keyboard, enter, A in your keyboard, enter. Or you can come to this one and you click, you come down, you click, you choose zoom all. Yes, so your limit is set up. So if you want to try it, you can just go to rectangle and click 0, 0, enter. Then go to the up one, 5,000, 5,000, enter. So your drawing is set up. If you click here, you will see automatically set up. Okay, after that, what we need to do, we set up now the unit. Okay, so unit, you click N in your keyboard, enter. Okay, so here we see decimal, architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. So we choose decimal, and the degree, decimal degree, you choose decimal degree always, according to your choice. Then precision, precision is very important. That means how many decimal number you need. Here I will choose 2. Then you see here when we choose uh, open with no template metric, it's come to meter or millimeter or uh, centimeter. So here is meter. Okay, so we can choose centimeter, millimeter or centimeter. So we can leave it like this. Just an example. Then after that you click OK. So you set up your unit. After the unit, you go to, you click D in your keyboard, enter. So you will create your own dimension style. Okay, that will be new. You put D, D2, enter. Okay, then you come to, there will be line, symbol, and arrow, text, fit here. You will see this scale and primary unit, alternate unit, tolerance. But you come to text style and you choose this part. You see this text style is not too good, but you can change. Come to RL. Okay, so then you choose RL like this. You click RL and you click set current. Okay, set current, yes, and you close and close. Okay, you see now is set up. Then close. Now if you, after dimension, if your dimension is set up, now you can go to your text style, where you can come to here A. Okay, now your test style is set up here. You can change at any test style you want. Because you click here, you will see many test style, but choose always RL because it's it's good and it's visible. Okay, so after your test style, what you do, you can go to table. Okay, so the table is here. So if you want to modify, what you do, come to annotation, then standard table, and now you go to modify. Okay, so your test style, your table is here. So how you can modify, click here, header and text and border. Also you can modify any of them. After that, what you have to do, you go down for layout. This is here, layer property. You click and you can create your layer property. So you had, okay, you can put wall. Okay, then you can come and change the color of the wall by red, and okay here. Then you add again title, block. It depends on you, and you can change the color of your title block by green color, and okay, and so on, so on. This is how you can create your layout. Okay, after that you create your block. Let's say here I want to create my simple block. What I do, click rectangle, then rectangle again. Okay, then rectangle. Okay, so I will do mirror. No. Okay, so this one, what I should do, I just select like this, then B in my keyboard, enter. Okay, so I can just click block, then click specify point, specify the point, then after that you just click OK. So here it become a block. Now, after creating your block and everything, what you do is to save your template. Okay, so you go to application menu, double click, and you come to save as. Okay, now you will come here, you choose file style. Okay, always choose AutoCAD drawing template DWT. Okay, so when you click, now you give the name of your template. So and I save. Then the init is metric here. Then you click save. Now after saving your drawing, you can close here. Close. Then you'll be able to see here. If you want to open at any time, you just click and you start your drawing. Okay, that's all how you can make your AutoCAD template.